Hello and welcome to the Opal Shop. Here we've got another boulder specimen. I've wetted a little bit of stone so you guys could see the opal colors, but it seems that the material has absorbed most of the water in it. But hopefully there will be enough to show you guys what it looks like. So this is large. The rule is in millimeters, so it's quite large. It's about 5 centimeters in there worth of stone. And let me show you from up close the nice bits of opal. You can see the nice hues of colors that it provides. Hopefully the light reflection is not too disturbing, but there is a lot of opal faces coming through, and I can see here there's like a nice interior hole that indicates to me that if you grind all that out, cut all that out, mine it up with a nice larger piece of opal from the inside. So here it is, all the veins and the seams that it comes. So the back is just mostly the rock, the parent material. Opals are mostly on this side, facing this end. And this is just junk that can be cut out. But this is low grade material, but very good for beginners. You still get some opal to actually practice, and you can definitely do something with it. And hopefully, when you cut through, there'll be more lovely opal surprises for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.